So basically, in order to uninstall SolidWorks, let me just share my screen. So the first step would be to open your control panel. Once you come to the Apps tab, you look for the SolidWorks program. Okay, wait. You look for the SolidWorks program. Once you find SolidWorks, you click on uninstall. Okay. When you click on uninstall, you'll be asked to provide permission. You press yes. Something like this will open up, the installation manager. And then through here, you just follow the steps, and then you uninstall. Once the whole process is finished, even though SolidWorks is technically uninstalled, you still have a few like SolidWorks files that just remain because the uninstall was not complete. So for example, here it will uninstall all of these files. And then if you come to the advanced tabs, you can choose what kind of an uninstall you're doing. So for example, this is something you want to do, remove registry entries, but don't check any of these things. Otherwise, like your GrabCAD and all those files will go. Just these two. And then once you check that, you go back to summary and then you click remove files, and then it will uninstall. I'm not going to press that because I already installed the new one. Once you finish doing that, you download something called CCleaner, which looks like this. So this is what you would download. You can just download the free version because you're only going to be using it for a few days, unless you want to continue using it like I do. So I generally use it like once or twice a month, and I just run the custom clean and the registry clean. So run the custom clean first. Uncheck what do you say? Simple stuff like, for example, under applications, you want to uncheck passwords and things like that, stuff that you want to keep. And then click on analyze. Once you click on analyze, it will find all the extra files that your computer has that doesn't need anymore, like, for example, any SolidWorks potential files. Run the cleaner and run this like 2 or 3 times just to ensure everything has been removed. Once the custom clean has been performed, open the registry, make sure everything is checked, and then scan for issues. Once you find a whole bunch of issues, so for example, you click on scan, a whole bunch of issues will show up like this. Once the scan is complete, you will click on review selected issues, don't save, fix all selected issues, and you will run this again, and you will run this scan multiple times until you only find one item here, which will always show up. So you will just keep running it over and over until only one item is left. Normally, this is the item that will remain, this third one here. So you just keep running it over and over until everything has been removed. Save one. And that's it. Once you have just this one left, then obviously, like, you run the cleaner, and then that would be it. Once you've done that, then you can just exit CCleaner, and then you open the email that I sent. And just for reference, this is what the email looks like. So something like this. And then you click on this link, fill out the form, press request download. Once you download that installer, uh, once it finishes downloading, once you open it, it will look something exactly like the uninstall manager that you just used to remove SolidWorks. And then you just fill out all the questions. You fill out the CAD license number, and then you will also fill out the PCB serial number, which is under electrical, SolidWorks electrical. And then just follow the instructions, and eventually you will have 2021 installed on your computer. And that's pretty much
So
it.
I actually don't think I have that email from you.
You don't? Did you fill out the form?
I I think so.
If you did, then you have the email.
Uh, is it in general?
I posted for you on Leads.
Okay, let's see. I'm, I think I did. Let me just double check.
Even I'm checking my sent items for your name.
Oh no, I did not.
Okay, then if you didn't fill it out, then you will not have the email.
My bad. Uh, Wait, let me just. Is my name here? No, it is not.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be in the second tab.
Mm-hmm.
To answer Dion's question, has anyone encountered issues with CCleaner is not used? So far, I've heard of everyone that I know that who has tried installing SolidWorks and has not used CCleaner has encountered a problem. But I will also stipulate that those guys have also, like, not uninstalled SolidWorks correctly. So it's not necessary that just because they didn't use CCleaner that they're going to encounter a problem. It's just
Right.
that I prefer using CCleaner because it helps clean out your entire computer to ensure that SolidWorks is completely uninstalled before installing 2021.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you will encounter problems installing 2021. This way, like this method that I use ensures that the installation is completely smooth, and not only that, when it does install, it will install everything, including the new toolbox, right? And it won't, like, it won't recognize that, oh wait, you still have an old file. It will say like, okay, you know what, everything has been cleaned out, so you need to install all the new files.